Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Listeners, today we have to face huge gap down opening for our markets. Nifty is quoting some 250 points lower on the Singapore exchange, and it is mainly because of sharp weakness in the US markets. US markets yesterday closed more than 3 to 5% lower, and today even US stock futures are trading little bit lower. Key major factors are at an unchanged level. In fact, again they are worsening. Dollar index is again started trading around 103.5. 10-year bond yield is around 3.00. In fact, it is trading above the same. And crude is again quoting at 110. Broader setup of the market is showing lot of weakness, and it is finding selling at higher levels. Yesterday also, when the market opened higher, we saw profit taking around 16,900 950 levels, and from there all the way market closed at the lowest point of the day. Technically, market closed below the level of 16,800 for the second consecutive day, which is certainly not positive for the short-term structure of the market, and based on levels we may see the levels of 16,400 to 16,200 in the near term. Around 16,200 we are expecting some value buying to emerge, and that's the reason the strategy should be to look for adding some good companies, strong companies around or between 16,200 16,100 levels. Bank Nifty also closed below the mark of 35,500, and the next level to watch out for would be 34,500. Sector specific, we saw some activity in technology companies, and it's not that we are not going to see further more weakness. And if there is a medium to long term view, then we should look for adding technology companies to our positional portfolio. Metal stocks are also correcting from the highs, but the current formation is clearly indicating us that it's a corrective pattern, and after hitting the important support areas, we are expecting rebound in the metal basket. So there also we are going to keep a close watch, and in that our preferred picks are Tata Steel, Hindalco as well as Jindal Steel and Power. From the auto index, from the auto market or auto sector, we like Mahindra & Mahindra as well as Tata Motors and Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto is consistently falling from the highs, but if there is a medium to long term view, then at current levels it's attractive buy. With a very short term view, we need to focus on Mahindra & Mahindra as well as Tata Motors. And finally, from the financial space, we like ICICI Bank as well as State Bank to buy with a medium to long term view. Canara Bank should also be on the watch list as the stock is correcting lesser than the expectations. Few power companies should do well, and in that we need to focus on Tata Power. Friends, that's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening us, and have a great day to all of you.